Okay, let's load our file here, which is item sold. Note how all the names of the columns have automatically been picked up. We do not want any validation, but we do want all our items to be sorted by employee ID. Let's come and get a sorter over here, and we say we want to sort by employee ID. Let it be the first thing that we do. Okay. A small trick over here is we want the output as an XLSX. Come to writer. Okay. Click on this button over here, okay, which will allow you to copy fields, and just by pressing this you've copied all the input items from here, from reader. Connect to the transformation. Now let's go one by one. This is same. Now employee ID, we want employee name, correct? So we now come and come back to writer and click on the show definition. Let's just call it employee name. Let's call this product name, okay, just for easy reference for us. The quantity would be the same, the unit price would be the same, the total amount would be the same. Okay, now let's just do a lookup. Now the first lookup is going to be on employee ID, and the second lookup is going to be on product ID. Okay, click on, double tap on this. Now since all my files are CSV, let's just call this salesman name. We are forced to choose a connection, come to text, and let's select salesman over here. My files are coming from a Mac, so sometimes line termination do become a problem. Come to mapping. Now my salesman master is opened up. Click on first row, click on set fields name to get the names of the field on top. Now we are mapping the employee ID, if you see over here, to this. Okay, so map to employee ID, and the output that we want is, we want the name of the employee over here. Click on OK, click on OK. Same thing for our product name. Product name, select text file, items. Okay, come to mapping. Now as you see, we want to map product ID, which is in column 1. Map to product ID. We want the output as product name. Click on OK, click on OK. Now to create a separate file for each employee name, we have a transformation called new, create new file. Okay, so the output of this, you map the output from here to here. This means this becomes my new file. I also want this name to be in my employee name. Click on OK. Now let's come back to a writer. Select Excel file, which is where we want the output to be. Now this is a little tricky, so please be with me here. Click on Excel file over here. Select file name and select the template right now. Okay. Say the target is a table because we want to write our output to a table. Click onto the table name, sales_data. We want the table to be cleared. We want to also recalculate the file so that our pivot file is recreated. Now, before you click OK, come to template and input the same file down below. Okay. Now the next code would be provided to you. I have saved it as a keyboard maestro shortcut, which is sales, and over here, I know it looks scary, but it's just a one-liner code which says sales underscore get the name of the variable. So this, all my output would be replaced with the name of the salesman. Okay, click on OK, and now let's cross our fingers. Let's go to our directory, and all of our files have been created. Let's just open one of them. Let's say Mr. Arun Reddy, A perfect pivot file has been created. Let's go to another one. Yeah, now it is smart enough. If you will open up the if you unhide and you want to have a look, so all of Rakesh's sales have been put down over here, right? So smart. So I hope you've enjoyed this. For any more questions, please do come onto the forums. The support is amazing. Thank you.